Hi, my name is Andy Katz. I'm here to introduce AWS Step Functions, a service from AWS that makes it easy to coordinate the components of distributed applications and microservices using visual workflows. Microservices are processes that communicate with each other over a network to complete a larger goal. Applications built as a collection of microservices are more resilient and easier to scale. A very simple microservice, even serverless in this case, can be deployed with an AWS Lambda function. And you can do a lot with just one Lambda function. Sometimes, however, your application requires more than one function. There are many combinations and patterns of 2 or 3 functions. For example, you may want a second function to always follow a first and only run if and when the first succeeds. You may want to execute 2 functions in parallel and feed the combined results into a third. Or maybe you would like to choose between 2 functions based on the output of a first function. You could write a lot of code to choreograph the interaction of your microservices, or you could use AWS Step Functions to coordinate your workflows. It's easy to get started with step functions. You declaratively define your workflows in the form of a state machine. Step Function visualizes your workflow, including tasks performed in sequence or in parallel, branching logic based on task results or other input, and timers. Step Functions manages each execution, keeping track of each step in a central audit trail, and managing task timeouts, retries, and error messages with built-in try, catch, finally patterns. Some examples of the kinds of repetitive processes that you can reliably automate with Step Functions include active synchronization of 2 Amazon S3 buckets, requesting a human approval by email and waiting till the authorized person responds before continuing with the workflow, image processing of photos, creating a thumbnail, and tagging image features using Amazon recognition in parallel. Step Functions helps increase your productive time spent on business logic instead of plumbing, makes your applications more agile, and provides resilience at scale. Learn more about AWS Step Functions by visiting our console today.